Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to talk about conditional statement. Conditional statement is if P, then Q. P is hypothesis and Q is conclusion. Here is an example of a conditional statement. If you sing, then you are a musician. In this statement, the hypothesis is if you sing, and the conclusion is you are a musician. Is this statement true or false? It's true, so the conditional statement is true. The next one is a converse statement. This one is if Q, which is conclusion, then P, which is hypothesis. Let's look at the example of converse statement. From the conditional statement, the hypothesis was if you sing, and the conclusion was you are a musician. Remember? If we use the same hypothesis and conclusion, then the converse statement is going to be the opposite of the conditional statement, which is, if you are a musician, then you sing. Get it? Okay, is this converse statement true or false? If you're a musician, then you don't need to sing, right? You can play an instrument. So this statement is false. Next one is inverse statement. This one is if not P, then not Q. What was the conditional statement again? It was if you sing, then you are a musician, remember? Hypothesis was you sing, and conclusion was you are a musician. To make inverse statement, you are going to make negative statement, which is if you don't sing, then you are not a musician. Is this statement true or false? If you don't sing, that doesn't mean you aren't a musician. You can still play an instrument. Then you would still be a musician, right? So this is false. Another one is contrapositive statement. This is if not Q, then not P. What was the conditional statement again? It was if you sing, then you are a musician, right? Then we are going to switch hypothesis and conclusion. And then you're going to make conclusion and hypothesis negative. Let's see. If you are not a musician, then you don't sing. Great job. Now, is this true or false? It is true because if you are not a musician, that means that you don't play any instrument, including singing. Do you agree? Now let's talk about equivalent statements. Here are conditional statements, converse, inverse, and contrapositive statements. Conditional statement is true, converse is false, inverse is false, and contrapositive is true. A conditional statement and its contrapositive are equivalent statements. They are either both true or both false. The converse and inverse of a statement are also equivalent. This is very helpful for you to define each statement as true or false. We talked about conditional statements today. In the next video, we are going to do some practice questions. As always, if you have any questions, leave your comments down below. Bye for now!